Hello dear friends, welcome back to Macsveda. Now under areas related to circle, let us take up exercise problems. Let us start with exercise 11.1. Question number 1. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeters if angle of the sector is 60 degrees. So here the radius of the circle is 6 centimeters. So R is equal to 6 centimeters and angle of the sector is 60 degrees. So theta is equal to 60 degrees. So we need to find area of the sector. What is the formula to find area of a sector? So that is theta by 360 into pi r square. So area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. So here theta is 60. 60 by 360 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 6. So 6 square. 6 into 6. So upon simplification, 60 6 times and 6 cancels with 1 6. So you get 22 into 6 132 upon 7. So when you simplify this, you get area of sector is equal to 18.857 centimeter square. Question number 2. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. So circle is given, quadrant. How to get quadrant of a circle and what is quadrant of a circle? Let us draw two perpendicular diameters. So we are dividing the circle into 4 parts and each part is called a quadrant. So this is one of the quadrant. Actually, we can divide circle into 4 quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now we need to find area of quadrant. What is the formula to find area of quadrant of a circle? See, quadrant means 1/4 of the circle. So area of the quadrant of the circle is 1/4 of area of the circle. That is 1/4 pi r square. Fine. What is r here? In the problem, the radius is not given. R is radius. So first find radius. Now in the problem, circumference is given as 22 centimeters. Circumference is the curved, length of the circle. So circumference is 22 centimeters. But what is the formula to find circumference of the circle? The circumference of the circle is given by 2 pi r. So equating, we get 22 is equal to 2 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7 into r. We need to find the value of r. So 22 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 is equal to r. So cancelling 22, you get r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. So find the area of the quadrant. So the area of the quadrant of the circle is 1/4 into pi r square. That is 1/4 into pi, that is 22 by 7 into r. R is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So let us simplify this. Cancelling 7, 2 11s. So you get 77 upon 8. So upon simplification, we get 9.625 centimeters square. So the area of the quadrant of the circle is 9.625 centimeters square. Question number 3. The length of the minute hand of clock is 14 centimeters. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. See, what is the minute hand of a clock? Minute hand of a clock is nothing but the radius of this circular clock, which is given as 14 centimeters. So length of the minute hand of clock is nothing but radius, which is 14 centimeters. Now the question is, what is the area swept or covered by the minute hand in 5 minutes? So in 5 minutes, how much area is covered by the minute hand? Okay. So the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is nothing but area of this sector created. But what is area of sector? The formula is simply theta by 360 into pi r square. Here we already know what is radius. But what about theta? Let us find it. So what is angle swept by minute hand in 1 minute? My dear friends, in 60 minutes, it covers 360 degrees. So in 1 minute, how many degrees it covers? So it is 360 by 60, which is nothing but 6 degrees. So in 1 minute, angle covered is 6 degrees. Then what about angle swept or covered by minute hand in 5 minutes? So 1 minute, it is 6 degrees, means 5 minutes it is 5 into 6 degrees, that is 30 degrees. So that is the value of theta, which is 30 degrees. So now you know theta. So what is the angle swept or covered by the minute hand in 5 minutes? Which is area of the sector, that is given by theta by 360 into pi r square. So where theta is 30 divided by 360 into pi, that is 22 by 7. R is 14 into 14. So R is 14, so R square means 14 into 14. Now let us simplify this. 30 12s, 7 2 times, then 2 6 times, 2 3s and 2 7s. So it is nothing but 22 into 7 upon 3, which is 154 by 3. So the final result is 51.33 centimeter square. Therefore, the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is 51.33 centimeter square.